Greetings to all my lovely children. Students, today in this video, I will be explaining you adjectives. We have already done adjective in the previous two videos. Now, in this video, I will be also doing the textual exercises, but before that, some explanation is needed. Now, what did I explain in the previous videos? I explained the types of adjective, the degrees of comparison, how to make an adjective, and the opposites. Today I will tell you how to use the comparative degree, superlative degree, and positive degree in a sentence. Now, when the adjective is in its own form, then we put it in the positive degree. When we are comparing two things, two objects, then we use comparative degree, that is ER. We add ER to the adjective. And when we compare one thing with a group of things, then we use superlative degree, that is EST form. Now, there is another rule to understand where to put comparative and superlative degree. If in the sentence than is there, then we will put comparative degree. And if in the sentence the is written before the blank, then we will put superlative degree. So now have a look at the board. Lesson 3, adjectives. Degrees. Three type of degrees are there: positive, comparative, and superlative. Now you should know where and how to put the adjectives. Now if in the sentence, like see the first sentence, Ravi is a dash boy. If a is there is no comparison. Neither comparison between two things, nor comparison between a group. And in the bracket, if the word smart is there. If it is a simple sentence, then we will put the same word which is in the bracket, that is the positive degree. So it will be Ravi is a smart boy. I am explaining once again. If in the sentence there is no comparison, that is nothing is compared between two or a group, then we will use positive degree, that is we will put the same word which is given in the bracket. So it is Ravi is a smart boy, and you will find generally a is there before the blank. Now where to put comparative degree? When there is a comparison between two. Now in this sentence you see Ravi is dash then Rohan. So we are comparing two people, that is Ravi and Rohan, and there is than in the sentence. So in this case we will always put comparative degree, that is we will add ER and we will make the word as smarter, and then we will put in the blank. I am repeating. If comparison is between two things, two persons, then we will use comparative degree, that is we will add ER and put the adjective in the blank. And in comparative degree, always than will be there in the sentence. Now in superlative degree, that is comparison of one person with a group, comparison of one thing with a group. So here see the sentence. Ravi is the dash boy in the class, and in the bracket the word is smart. So as I told you, the is there before the blank. So in this type of case, we will always put superlative. And see the sentence also, Ravi is compared with a group of boys in the class. So here what we will do, we will add EST and make it superlative, and then we will put it in the blank. So the answer will be Ravi is the smartest boy in the class. So do remember, in positive degree, we will put the same word which is there in the bracket. In comparative degree, if that is there in the sentence, we will add ER and make the word, that is the adjective comparative, and then put it in the blank. And in the superlative degree, when the comparison is there between, one person among the group, then and the is there in the sentence, then we will add EST and make it superlative. Now students, let us see the textual exercises.
Good morning children. This is your next video number 23 for your grammar chapter number 3 adjectives. The exercises which we have done, and the topics were quantifiers, interrogative adjectives, and order of adjectives. And today we are going to discuss the exercises in these topics. I have already told you about the rules and regulations of the usage of some, any, many, much, little, few. So we are going to please note down and put your books in front of you while watching the video. Please look into there aren't any sweets in the box because it is a negative sentence. I have written any. There are some sweets in the box. How many kilograms of wheat did Rama buy? I don't have much hope of finding the bag again. I had little money. I could not afford those chocolates. I borrowed few books from Jayant. Exercise number B, children, take the sentences which use an interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjectives are what, which, whose, all three. Okay. So the first sentence is, which dress shall I wear? Which is an interrogative adjective, so it's a tick mark. Whose book is this? Whose again is an interrogative adjective, so we have ticked the sentence. Yes, children, coming to the question number 3, this is the book which I had lost. There is no interrogative adjective here, so we are putting a cross. What gift shall we give grandmother on her birthday? What is an interrogative adjective, so we have put a tick. Next, the fifth question, he could not decide whose side he was on. Whose side? Whose is an interrogative adjective and it is placed in just before the noun, children. Side is the name of a place, so whose will be a interrogative adjective. Okay, so we are putting a tick here. Coming to the next question, question number C, use the 3 interrogative adjectives mentioned above to form sentences of your own. Children, I have made my own sentences, but I want you to make your own sentences so that you can learn how to frame sentences. So children, please don't copy my sentences and do it in your book with your own efforts. So I have come to the page number 21, children. We have done degrees of comparison already. You have done it. And today we are going to discuss the exercise number D, positive, comparative and superlative degrees in the table below. You have to complete the table. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. The first one was done for you. And next, the positive degree of taller is tall, taller, tallest. Ugly, uglier, ugliest. Exciting, more exciting, the most exciting. Sad, sadder, saddest. Big, bigger, biggest. Dark, darker, darkest. Children, the next word is on the page number 22. The 8th word is good, the comparative degree is better, and the superlative degree is best. The next word is difficult, the comparative degree is more difficult, and superlative degree is the most difficult. Then the positive degree is lazy, comparative degree lazier, superlative degree is laziest. Positive degree angry, comparative degree more angry, superlative degree is most angry. The 12th word is wise, comparative degree is wiser, and superlative degree is wisest, the wisest. Children, the next exercise we have is complete the sentences with the correct degrees of adjectives given in brackets. So, the first question is, when winter comes, the days become cold. I have written the same word from the bracket, children, because it's a simple sentence. There is no comparison in it. I have 3 dogs. Jenny is the biggest. The other 2 are small. Biggest, the biggest, I have used the superlative term. The second half of the match was less interesting than the first one. It's a comparative degree. Less. He is truly the worst player of his team. The worst player. Children, bad. The word bad is a positive degree and the superlative term of bad is worst. My sister has the most interesting hobby in the world. This is the funniest joke I have ever heard. Children, where there is the before the blank, I have used the superlative term as explained by teacher in the last video. The next exercise, children, from the page number 22, exercise number F. Exercise F, make adjectives from the given words by using the correct suffixes. We have done the how to make suffix, children, how to use a suffix after the word to make it an adjective. The word is given as a noun and you have to make it as an adjective, so we use a suffix after that. So peace becomes peaceful, honor becomes honorable, quarrel become quarrelsome, thirst become thirsty, act becomes active, limit becomes limited, coward becomes cowardly, thought becomes thoughtful. Law becomes lawful, fool becomes foolish, children. Please note down in your books while watching the video. Next topic, order of adjectives, children. We have to do the exercise number G based on the flow chart. Flow chart means what you can see here. What you can see all these, this is called a flow chart. So based on the flow chart, state the type of adjectives given below. One has been done for you. What is a leather? Leather is the material. Japanese is the nationality. 100 is the number. Young comes under the age. Green comes under color. Salty is the opinion. Okay, children? Next exercise number H. Rearrange the adjectives in the brackets to form sentences with the correct order of adjectives. One has been done for you. Mother likes Irish, hot, black coffee when she is tired. Mother likes hot, black Irish coffee when she is tired. You have to put the adjectives in the brackets in the correct order, children. So, my answer to the next question is Rohit wants to buy a sports new red car. Rohit wants to buy a new red sports car. Kira has made a wooden big chair for her grandma. Kira has made a big wooden chair for her grandma. Always use a black soft lead pencil to draw. Always use a soft black lead pencil to draw. I decorated my house with plastic pink pretty flowers. I decorated my house with pretty pink plastic flowers. Pretty pink plastic flowers. Grandma bought a colorful earthen round pot to keeping water. Grandma bought a colorful round earthen pot for keeping water. Farah wants to buy a milk strawberry medium bottle. Farah wants to buy a medium strawberry milk bottle. Wants a medium strawberry milk bottle. Max walked through a dark, long, old corridor. Max walked through a dark, long corridor. Let's perfect it, children. The next exercise is on the page number 24. Complete the sentences with suitable adjectives. The principal spoke in a loud and clear voice. I have put some relevant adjectives, some suitable adjectives in the sentences. Okay. The grey kitten drank whole milk. Whole means full, all. 5 little chicks played around big hens. I think Max is taller than Rohit. She had a bad day. On each side of the river there were high mountains. Which book are you reading? Harry hurt his left foot while trying to chip hams. The old class teacher told them a story. The naughty children pitched the biggest tent in the field. The question number 11. This is the most delicious cake I have ever eaten. The day was stormy and all the dead leaves flew in every direction. Our loving grandmother looks after our family. It was a rainy day and people were carrying colorful umbrellas. Okay, so make sentences of your own with the following quantifiers. Children, B, exercise B. Please, I have made the sentences myself, but I want new sentences from you all, so you will make your own sentences. Now, going to exercise number C, fill in the blanks by forming adjectives from the words given in brackets. Artists have imaginative minds. Imagine becomes imaginative. Rita is a very talkative person. Talk becomes talkative. It is an easy exercise. Ease becomes easy. Bookish knowledge alone does not suffice. Book becomes bookish. The country has made great progress in the industrial sector. Industry becomes industrial. That was the most delicious ice cream I have ever eaten. Flavor, we can write delicious. This is a very creamy dessert. Cream becomes creamy. Ragini was overjoyed to meet the artistic director of the film. Artist becomes artistic. Now going to the exercise number D on page number 25. Complete the sentences with correct order of adjectives. I have lost my new green water bottle. Okay, so I have to write the adjectives in the brackets in the correct order. Amaya made a tangy tomato sauce. Father took us to see a smelly giant African flower. I finished reading an old interesting story about trolls. Sally's black canvas running shoes were soaked in rainwater. 3 tall young men came on the stage. You should try the new delicious chocolate mousse. Always wanted to see a white baby Asian elephant. We need 10 large wooden planks to build a kennel. I met a cute little Spanish girl in the playground. Children, please do it all. Complete your work in your grammar books. Children, next we have a composition. Imagine you got stuck at home on a rainy day when you were supposed to go on a picnic with your family. Write a diary entry in about 100 words describing how you felt when you had to cancel the plan. Also talk about how you spend the day at home instead with your family. So children, I have written this and I will put this in the MGMB campus care also, so no need to write from here. I'll put this in MGMB campus care parent portal assignment section, so please do it from there. In your grammar copies, you have to do this diary entry in your grammar copies. I repeat, okay,